Dah Mila.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to Sir Amzari. Our from Group 7, we present about Lembayung Apartment. This our team member, which is I, Nushamila binti Laili.
My name is Lyana AQILAH binti ANUAR.
My name is EMELDA JACINTA anak JAGAI.
My name is Lyana Hazwanie binti MAHADI. So first I will present about our introduction. Web application is known as web app is a software that is stored on a distant server and distributed via the internet using a browser interface. Web apps can be built for a wide range of purposes and utilized by anybody, from business to individuals, for a variety of reasons. Although web applications are accessed over the internet, they do not require downloading. A web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari can be used to access a web application. Web apps have quick development cycles and may be created by small teams of developers. JavaScript, HTML5, and cascading style sheets are used to create the majority of web application. That's all.
For the objective, the first one is to ease resident to access at anywhere or any device. Most desktop software can actually be developed into a web-based application, which means that they can use it wherever they are from any mobile device. Second one is to protect the resident data. Web-based apps provide a secure means to access centralized data. Only the person or team in charge of the server will have direct access to it. The third one is integration with other systems. Localized software is isolated compared to web-based applications, which are significantly more interoperable. This is because web applications can be linked together more easily than two completely separate systems. That's all.
And for the next slide, I will present about problem management. For this first one, Lembayung apartment resident does not have any software to keep the data of the resident. It may cause data to lose, which is very serious issues, and perhaps losing time and money to restore to get better the data. They kept the data in their book, which is not difficult way to find the data. The second one, the time consumed extra to discover the Lembayung apartment resident as they need to find it manually. This will make a lot of time for them to research the record and that they need. When they have to arrange and store the files, hunting down the information when it is needed can take time. It can take anywhere from minutes to hours to hunt down a file. And the last one, the record might also cause data redundant, which is can overlap with other information. This will make the data waste space, and perhaps more importantly, it will get the danger that they will get out of sync. This is when they create the data for customers, for resident, especially the members, resident and the user and the using the books. That's all from me. And we will continue with Nur Shamila.
Okay, next we present our data interface. Okay, here our interface index. Okay, this is our interface we call the Lembayung apartment. We have from the sidebar we have Lembayung apartment, Lembayung apartment history, register, login, and the list, which is register, login, and the list have two choice, which is have for user and visitor. And the top header we have user. In the user we have profile, setting, activity log, and load out. Okay, then we go to Lembayung apartment study. We have about Lembayung apartment, contain the detail about study Lembayung apartment. Next, we go to register user. We have form for user to create their account for the first time and also for user. Okay, for the register visitor, we include another one which is physical register number. Okay, here we have register account. After they fill their form, then the user and visitor need to click the register account for and then we go to login. Okay, login we have here for user and visitor who already have their ID. They can log in by using the user ID and password. Then they can click the login. And then we here have the forget password for user and visitor who forget their password and create account for first time user and visitor. Okay, then after they go to login, which is here, and then we go to the user list. This one is usually for admin. We contain the user ID, username, and action for admin to take action. And then the list we have visitor list. Here we to the who visitor already register their data. Here we all the list we have. Okay, that's all for me.
Najah, mic.
For the conclusion, as a conclusion, it is very important to make a resident security system in any apartment. This is because it is very important to protect criminal happen in the resident. The design and implementation of an appropriate and effective building protection system depends on many factors. The complete of life cycle cost of a building protection system, including cost of planning, purchase, installation, maintenance, operation, and upgrade of all its components. So that's all from our group. Thank you so much.